Hey there guys, this is Manny from AutoStar here in Waynesville, North Carolina, and we are up here at the Blue Ridge Parkway. Got a great scenic view, but that's not what I'm here to talk to you about. I'm here to talk to you about this 50th anniversary Dodge Challenger RT with the matte black hood finish and the 5.7 V8. This has all the amenities that you could want in a Challenger. You've got launch control, you've got heated seats, you've got the integrated stitching for the 50th anniversary. This color is octane red. That's one of the most beautiful colors on a Challenger that I think you can get. We have up to $4,500 in rebates. Not to mention we have other rebates on select vehicles. We have 0 for 84. We have employee pricing. So if you're looking for a deal, come down to AutoStar here in Waynesville, North Carolina. Hey there guys, we are back and we just wanted to give you kind of an idea of what it's like to drive in the Challenger RT. Sounds beautiful. If you like a V8, it's very nice. This handles a lot better on curves than you think it would for a wide body Challenger. We're up here in the Blue Ridge Mountains on the Parkway, and it drives very smooth. We come around the corners nice. So I encourage any one of you out there who is interested in a Challenger RT to come out here to Waynesville, AutoStar, and let us know that you want to get a test drive and feel how smooth it is for yourself. So come out here to Waynesville, check us out.